got the burgers and ate them all the way. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Where are the burgers?
One zombie was walking with the cake. One threw the cake and all began to play. The chef called the witch, and the witch then said,
Don't eat the cake!
all the zombies ate up all the food. What they really did was not at all good. The chef called the witch, and the chef then said,
We ate all the food and it was really yummy.